Okay, I'm going to show you how to grade an assignment now. So you want to log into UR Courses and go to your course page, and there it is. And go to Assignments under Activities here on your course page, and choose the assignment you want to grade. So we're going to grade assignment number 2. And here we can see how many participants, how many have submitted, and how many still need to be graded. So let's view all submissions. And here we can see the status and other things. So if you want to download it, you would click it there, or there, or there, or there. We have Word docs and PowerPoints and PDFs and rich text formats. So let's download a Word doc. And it says save file or open with. Let's open with. There it is. Okay, let's grade the third one here. It's a PDF. And we got a preview. And here's where we say we can make comments if we want to. And give it a grade. I'm going to give this 85%. And any other comments you want to. And we will save changes. Say OK. And if we go back to our course and have a look at the assignments. Assignment number 2. So 3 of them still need grading, but 1 of them should be graded, and there it is. That's how you grade.